I'm meteorologist Eric Hayden with the National Weather Service in Binghamton, New York. With a clear sky today across our area, the lack of clouds really gave us a great opportunity to see some pretty cool features on the satellite picture. I want to show you a few of them here across our area. First things first, the fog this morning. The magenta arrows kind of pointing to some of the river valley fog that we typically see across south central New York and northeast Pennsylvania. Very, very common for this to occur as we get into the middle to latter part of the summer through early fall before the leaves fall off the trees. Very common for this to happen. As we zoom in a little bit, I want to show you some of the things that we get across our area in terms of where that fog really sets up. Notice it's not by mistake. Notice how this fog kind of has a finger shape to it, almost like a spider web. These are the river valleys across our area. So across northeast Pennsylvania, that's the Susquehanna River. As we go into the Catskills, the different river basins, this is river valley fog, very, very common. Again, it can certainly be quite dense across our area. And again, typically it is in the middle to latter part of summer into the early fall, and that really is when we get most of our fog across our area. The other neat thing on this satellite loop, notice as we animate it beyond this morning, the fog burns off, and yes, we have clouds, but notice where those clouds bubble up first. The Catskills, the Tug Hill, the Adirondacks, the Poconos, and the Allegheny Plateau. Often when you get a very, very sunny day, if you're going to have any amount of clouds, they usually start off across the higher terrain and then perhaps in the lower elevations. And the reason for the higher terrain first, those areas are giving us just a little bit added lift to produce those clouds, and that's why those clouds develop in the higher elevated areas first. One last thing I want to leave you with is how to get this information at home on your own. If you're familiar with our website, or even if you're not, it's very easy to remember. It's just weather.gov/BGM. Once you come to our website, under current conditions, just scroll down just a little bit to where it says more satellite. If you click on that, you'll be sent to a site that will have a single still image of the visible, very similar to what we just showed you in video form. Underneath that, in addition to the visible, is the infrared and things such as the water vapor. The same products you can also get as loops, such as the visible and water vapor. So you can do the same thing as what we just showed you on the video at home.